Lisa, and I am the last member of Tales of Three. The first week, Anya told you guys about how she created thumbnails and what she learned from it. Last week, Fred talked about how he did the line art and what his inspiration was. This week, it's my turn, and I'm going to talk about the values. Doing the values is a task that both Anya and I share. We're doing this because it helps us figure out the mood and the setting of the piece that we really want to create. And it also makes it easier for me when I'm going to do the colors after this, which is something I'm going to talk to you guys about next week. So when Fred finishes his line art for the image, me and Anya, we go ahead and we start filling in the shapes and forms with the correct values for the piece. Which sides of the painting is going to be darker, which side is going to be lighter, where is the high point and the focal point.